questions you should ask yourself before you set up targeting for your advert, right? The number one question is, what is the product or service that I'm selling? People will just call you and say, hey, I want you to run ads for me. It's not just to run ads for you. There are several other things that come into it, right? But the product is a bad product. It's a product that already has negative reviews, right? And lots of people know that product will perform poorly, no matter how good you target it. All right. It's like we know that a particular product is fake, or there are lots of fake out there. So when you start running ads around it, one of the major things, first things people think about is this product fake? Is it the fake one? How do I know it's the original one? Do you understand? So it's always good to clear this first. What is the product? What is the service? What is that product or service doing for the person that is going to buy it? What is the solution it is providing? They're not just buying it because they want to hang it on their wall or hang it somewhere. All right? They are buying it because it is going to produce a solution. It is going to do something. Do you understand? So that's why they are buying it. Okay? So you have to be clear on what the product is and what the product can do. Do you understand? What the solution is. Those are the things that you promote. Those are the things that you put out a lot. So it is clear. The person can actually see the benefit of this particular thing. All right?